Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making one of my favorite desserts in the entire world, and it's strawberry cheesecake ice cream. It's delicious, it's easy. We're making it from home, so you know what's going into it, and it's just, you don't need an ice cream machine to make it. It's just an electric mixer, and that is it. So I hope you guys love this recipe. If you want to see how it comes together, keep on watching. So for the strawberry part of this, like the strawberry syrup of the cheesecake ice cream, what you're going to need is some strawberries. These are fresh, but if you can't find any, you can always use frozen and thaw them out. You're going to need some water, sugar, and then some lemon juice, and that is it. So into my saucepan, I'm going to add in my strawberries, and I'm going to put this on like medium-low, medium heat or so. You're going to add in your water, your sugar, and I have about a 1/4 cup, but I'm not even going to use that. Probably use half of that because I don't like it overwhelmingly, is that a word? I don't like it too sweet. That is what I'm trying to say. And then you're going to need some lemon juice. And I absolutely love anything citrus with like anything like super fruity. Oh, that to me is like heaven. All right, so that is good. And now all I'm gonna do is all right, I'm sorry, I dropped you. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna babysit this until the the strawberries cook down and it just becomes this beautiful jammy jam. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like when it's there. My syrup cooked beautifully. Look at that. It's like gorgeous and just, it smells incredible. It's going to thicken as it cools. So for now, you're going to set this aside to cool because we can't really add this into our ice cream if it's hot because it's going to deflate everything. So I'm going to let this cool and then I'll meet you here in a few minutes so that we can start on the ice cream part. Okay, so my strawberry mixture is still cooling in the fridge. So while that's getting nice and cool, I'm going to start off with the base for like the actual ice cream. So let's start working on that. Let me show you what you're going to need for that. So you're going to need an electric handheld whisk, or you know, you can use a mixer for this, but I like this better. Some softened cream cheese. You're going to need heavy whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk, and then you're going to need some lemon zest. I use half the lemon for the fruit. I'm going to use the other half to zest into my cheesecake mixture. So the first thing I'm going to work on is getting my heavy whipping cream into nice stiff peaks. And we're going to do this first, that way we don't have to wash our beaters so that we can move on to the next step. So I'm going to whip this for a few minutes until it gets nice and stiff, and I'll show you what that looks like so you could see. Alrighty, mixture is nice and stiff. Once it starts to get to this point, just don't overdo it because it's going to turn into butter and you don't want that. So it's nice and stiff. I'm going to set this aside and we're going to work on the cheesecake part of our ice cream. So using the same beaters, what you're going to do is into my cream cheese, I'm going to add in sweetened condensed milk, which is like the best thing since sliced bread. I absolutely love this. I could probably eat a can of this, I'm not gonna lie. Especially when it's like cooked and made into toffee. Oh. Alright, let me get everything out of here. So good. Alright, I'm gonna whip this or mix this until it's nice and combined and smooth. And then I'm going to show you what to do next. My mixture is nice and smooth. So to this, I'm going to add in my lemon zest, just to give it a little bit of freshness. I added in half a lemon, the juice of half a lemon for the actual like strawberry part of this. But I like to add in this to like the actual ice cream part of it. Alright, that's good for me. I'm going to mix this and then we're going to kind of combine everything. At this point, I'm done with the mixer. And what we're going to do now is we're going to fold in our whipping cream into our cheesecake mixture. And you just kind of want to fold it in gently. You don't want to deflate it because this is what's going to give you that fluffiness. But you want to make sure that it's nice and incorporated. So just kind of work it in there. Oh, look at this. Isn't this the most gorgeous thing ever? And it smells divine. Not going to lie. I could probably just eat it as is. Alright, I'm going to keep working on this. I'll meet you here in a few seconds. Look at this. This is like, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it's just smooth and like fluffy and gorgeous. I love it. So what you're going to do now is I'm going to add in my strawberry syrup. And I'm just going to mix this in roughly. Just to kind of get it combined. You don't have to do it so that it's everywhere and that it's red. You just kind of want to do it so that it kind of incorporates into a majority of it. But okay, this is pretty good for me. Oh, it's so good. I just tried a little bit of the syrup. Oh, delicious. Okay, now what you're gonna do, take a container. I'm probably gonna have to do 2 of these. I'm gonna pour the mixture into your container. I'm gonna do 2 of them. You're gonna let this freeze overnight. So good. I think you can hear the neighbors mowing their lawn outside, but that's okay. So I have my ice cream in my containers. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this in the freezer overnight, and then tomorrow I am gonna enjoy it like it's nobody's business. It's literally delicious. It's easy. It's just incredible. So I hope you guys give it a try. The warm weather is finally here and I can enjoy some ice cream. So please head over to thelazygirlskitchen.com to get the recipe. I hope you guys love the video. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Leave me your suggestions down below and I will see you guys next time. Bye.